Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this bright red lipstick to try out. It's from the brand Huda Beauty and it's the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Alluring, this beautiful packaging here, that I got in my January 2023 Boxycharm Premium Box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium Box for the month yet, that video is up here on my YouTube channel. And so this retails for $21, and this sounds like what I look for in a lip product because it has no transfer. That's like number one for me. It's supposed to maintain lip hydration, which is like tied with number one for me because I have such dry lips all the time. And it's intense pigment, so long-lasting, comfortable matte liquid lipstick. That sounds like my perfect type of a lipstick. I'm excited to see how this shade is going to look on me because it seems a little intimidating with how bright it is. Oh, maybe the Alluring shade is in collaboration with Allure. That's cute. Okay. I love the packaging with the kind of frosted glass look. It's not glass, but it looks frosted, which is nice. Gives it kind of a high-end look. Let's check out the applicator on this. Ooh, a little doe foot applicator. This has like a smell to it. And it's a little bit sweet, but it also smells just kind of like a regular like product-y smell. So it's interesting, I'm like, does it have a scent? Or is that just what it smells like? It doesn't smell bad though. But okay, before I apply it to my lips, let's see how it swatches. Oh my goodness. Such full pigment and bright red. I am wearing a very bright sweater to be wearing a bright red lip with, but maybe it'll look really nice. Let's go ahead and see how it is on my lips now. Ooh, yay. I'm glad to see that I was able to get crisp, precise edges, especially on the top lip, with this little doe foot applicator. For a color this bold, I'd probably still want to use a lip liner, but that's pretty impressive. It's drying down pretty quickly. It says to give it 30 seconds, and it is looking actually very smooth. My lips are very chapped. And you cannot even tell that I have chapped lips. It actually somehow like magically like smoothed out the lines in my lips and it feels very comfortable. It feels and looks matte, but not a drying matte. It really is a beautiful, smooth finish. And what do we think about this shade? It is bright, but I kind of like it. I definitely feel like it dried down beautifully with hopefully no transfer. Let's see. Yay. No transfer. So this really is what I look for in my lip products. The opaque color that's quick, easy, and precise to apply. It looks smooth on the lips. It's not clinging to dry patches. It's not emphasizing dry texture. It doesn't feel dry. Like, I am blown away by the texture that this has on my super chapped lips. And no transfer. So comfortable, just everything about this I love. I'm so glad this comes in so many different shades. And so this retails for $21. And while I feel like you can find lip products that can be long lasting and beautiful like this for less expensive, at least for $21, this does everything I would want my lip product to. And I only needed one layer, so this will be able to last me for so long, for so many uses. So if you've tried out the Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lip, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Let me know what shades you've tried out and what you think of those colors. Let me know also what you think about this bright red Alluring shade. Do you think it's a little too much for me, or could I pull it off? But thank you so much for watching my video today. be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.